Thank you for coming again today, guys. You're in the kitchen with Lynn for some simple, easy cooking method. We're going to be doing some salmon today. I did wash the salmon with some lime and salt, then pat dry it with paper towel. Now it's time to season, so I'm going to be using a little bit of salt along with some lemon pepper seasoning. And for me, lemon pepper seasoning is just the ideal thing for any fish, all right? Place a generous amount right over the top. I also did add some black pepper and some Cajun seasoning. And that is all that the salmon would require, not much seasonings, guys. Once you add it up in there, just put a generous amount and just pat it in, making sure that all the corners have all the seasonings. And the salmon has the skin on, guys. I keep the skin on because it provides a layer between the skin and the flesh, so it's gonna be easily removed from the pan as you cook it. Just make sure you get all the seasoning right over. Now that I'm done seasoning my salmon, over medium heat, I have a pan, and I did use a non-stick pan, which is going to do the work just fine. Place about quarter stick of butter because you want to fry your salmon in a lot of butter, all right? Once the butter gets hot, you want to place the salmon skin side down. Now you want this to cook until it is golden brown on one side for about 3 minutes. Then you want to turn it over until it feels firm to the touch for about another 3 minutes. Look at how beautiful this is. Keep that skin on the salmon, guys. It's going to keep and hold that fish firm. After 3 minutes of cooking, I'm going to remove the salmon. And you can see there's a lot of heat in the pan. I did prepare some coconut rice and some steamed vegetables. And this is our pan fried salmon. Using no flour, guys, this is what it looked like. So beautiful. So you can see our salmon is juicy and flaky. You can use it as it is, just served up like this, or you can also use it with some rice and steamed fish that I did. Yes, that I did make that coconut rice that brings back that heavenly taste. Simple and easy to put together. Have a beautiful, tasty, and satisfying meal today, guys. Leave me a comment below, and don't you forget to subscribe. Press that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.